The new year marks a time of renewal, reflection, and excitement. It's a moment to embrace fresh beginnings and gather with loved ones to celebrate all the possibilities that lie ahead. One of the best ways to set the stage for these festivities is through thoughtful and creative decorations. The right decor can transform your space, inspiring joy and optimism as you ring in the year with style. From dazzling lighting to imaginative tablescapes, let's dive into innovative ideas to make your New Year's celebration unforgettable. The dining table is often the centerpiece of New Year's celebrations, making it the perfect canvas for a stunning design. Begin by selecting a color palette that exudes elegance and sophistication. Think metallics like gold, silver, and rose gold paired with crisp whites or deep blacks. Start with a high-quality tablecloth or runner that sets the tone, such as a sequined fabric or a velvet texture for added luxury. Layer your table settings with fine dinnerware, metallic chargers, and crystal stemware to create an opulent effect. Napkins folded into creative shapes, like bow ties or fans, can add an extra touch of flair. For your centerpiece, consider a dramatic arrangement of fresh flowers, glittering branches, or a mix of candles in varying heights and holders. Adding fairy lights to the arrangement creates a soft glow, perfect for the celebratory mood. For a personal touch, use handwritten name cards or small favors at each setting, such as mini bottles of champagne or custom fortune cookies with uplifting messages. Don't forget the finishing details, scatter sequins, star-shaped confetti, or small mirrored accents to catch the light and add sparkle. Your tablescape isn't just about style, it's a way to make guests feel special and set the tone for the night ahead. If your gathering is themed, let your table reflect that theme. For example, a Roaring Twenties dinner might include Art Deco patterns and vintage-inspired accents, while a Winter Wonderland look could feature icy blues, silver snowflakes, and frosted greenery. Whatever your vision, let the table tell the story of your celebration. If these New Year decoration ideas have inspired your celebrations, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who love ringing in the new year in style. Lighting is the cornerstone of creating a magical New Year's atmosphere. Whether indoors or outdoors, the right lighting can completely transform your space. Begin by incorporating string lights in creative ways, such as draping them across ceilings, wrapping them around banisters, or layering them in curtains for a dramatic effect. LED fairy lights in warm white or soft gold add an elegant and inviting touch. For focal areas, consider cascading curtain lights or oversized marquee numbers for 2024 to emphasize the celebration. Mirrors strategically placed near lighting sources can amplify the glow, creating a sense of depth and brilliance. Pair these with candles in metallic holders or hurricane vases for an added layer of warmth. Backdrops are another essential element, especially if you're hosting a party where guests will take photos. Create a statement wall using metallic fringe curtains, balloons in your chosen color palette, or a mix of star-shaped decals and fairy lights. Add playful props like hats, glasses, or signs with New Year's messages for guests to use in photos. For outdoor spaces, lighting can also make a big impact. Illuminate pathways with lanterns or luminaries, and string icicle lights along fences or rooftops. Highlight trees or shrubs with spotlights or twinkling lights, giving your yard a magical glow. By layering different types of lighting, you can create a cohesive and festive ambience that carries the celebration from one space to the next. How are you decorating for this New Year's celebration? Share your favorite ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear about your plans for a festive and memorable start to the year. Balloons are timeless decorations that bring energy and vibrancy to any New Year's event. Elevate the traditional look by opting for balloons in metallic shades like gold, silver, and champagne. Confetti-filled balloons or those with glittering finishes can add an extra element of fun and sophistication. Arrange balloons in clusters, arches, or cascading designs to frame key areas like the dining table, dance floor, or entryway. Helium balloons tied with ribbons can float to the ceiling, adding a whimsical touch to your decor. For an elegant twist, incorporate oversized balloons with tassel tails or use clear balloons filled with LED lights for a glowing effect. Garlands are another versatile element that can bring cohesion to your decorations. Choose garlands that match your theme, such as greenery with glitter accents for a natural yet festive feel, or metallic tinseled garlands for a glamorous vibe. Drape them over mantels, along banisters, or even as part of a photo backdrop. Custom banners with celebratory messages like "Cheers to 2024" or "Happy New Year" can also make a statement. Pair these with garlands or fairy lights to enhance their visual impact. The key is to mix and match textures, colors, and styles to create layers of interest and excitement in your decor. For more amazing holiday and event decoration ideas, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get all the inspiration you need for the coming year. Themes can take your New Year's celebration to the next level, creating a cohesive look and feel throughout your space. A midnight glam theme might feature black and gold accents, luxurious fabrics like velvet and satin, and decor elements like clocks and hourglasses to emphasize the countdown. Add sparkling details like glitter-dipped champagne bottles or sequin pillows to enhance the glamour. For a cozier vibe, create a welcoming corner with plush throws, oversized cushions, and a glowing fireplace. This can be a perfect spot for intimate conversations or for guests to take a break from the excitement. Incorporate small touches like scented candles, warm lighting, and a tray of hot cocoa or mulled wine to complete the ambience. Outdoor areas can also reflect your chosen theme. A winter wonderland concept could include frosted wreaths, snowflake lights, and icy blue accents, while a rustic retreat might focus on natural elements like pine cones, burlap, and warm lantern lighting. Don't forget to add personal touches, such as framed photos or a DIY memory jar where guests can write down their hopes for the coming year. Check out our holiday decor playlist for more tips and ideas to make every celebration, from Christmas to New Year, truly unforgettable. As the clock strikes midnight and a new year dawns, your decorations tell a story of joy, hope, and the beauty of fresh beginnings. Each carefully placed ornament, glowing string of lights, and festive accent piece reflects not just the spirit of celebration but also the anticipation of what lies ahead. The ambience you've created is more than just a visual feast, it's a heartfelt expression of your hopes and dreams for the coming year. Your New Year's Eve celebration becomes unforgettable not because of grandeur, but because of the thoughtful touches you've added. The glimmer of candles, the sparkle of fairy lights, and the cozy warmth of well-chosen accents create an atmosphere of magic and connection. These small yet powerful details make the transition into the new year a deeply meaningful experience. This is a time to pause and cherish the memories made throughout the past year, while embracing the endless possibilities of the future. Your decor serves as a reminder of your creative spirit and your ability to transform spaces into places of joy and reflection. It sets the perfect stage for laughter, love, and the sharing of dreams with those who mean the most to you. The glow of your space mirrors the glow in your heart, as you look forward to new adventures, fresh opportunities, and moments of happiness that await in the year ahead. It's not just about impressing your guests, it's about surrounding yourself with beauty and inspiration that fuels your journey into the next chapter. As the evening unfolds, let the warmth of your surroundings remind you of the importance of connection and the joy of coming together. Whether you're hosting a lively gathering or enjoying a quiet evening with loved ones, your thoughtful design creates a space where memories are made and cherished. The shimmering lights remind us of the stars above, symbols of guidance and endless potential. The carefully chosen elements of your decor are more than just beautiful, they're symbolic of the new beginnings that come with each passing year. They inspire you to dream big, embrace change, and step into the unknown with grace and enthusiasm. Want to recreate these New Year decoration looks? Check the description for links to all the decor and supplies featured in today's video. As the final moments of the year tick away, let your surroundings envelop you in gratitude for all that has been and hope for all that's yet to come. This is your time to celebrate not just the arrival of a new year, but the growth and achievements that brought you to this moment. Here's to a new year filled with boundless creativity, heartfelt connections, and the realization of dreams that spark joy in your life. Let your beautifully decorated space inspire not just you, but everyone who enters it, setting the tone for a year as radiant and full of promise as the night itself. In the quiet after the celebration, as the lights softly glow and the music fades, you'll know that every detail was worth it. The beauty of your decor will linger in your heart, reminding you that every ending is a new beginning and every effort to make something beautiful brings its own reward.